Hi everyone, thank you for clicking this video, and in this video I will try to share to you guys how I create application with a Flutterflow to handle the offline mode. So basically if you guys have no internet connection but you still want to store your data in the device, in your device, and if you back again in the online condition, you want to send the data to actually database, maybe you can follow this step. So as usual, I will jump to the result. As you can see guys, I have a Flutterflow project with three menu or three page. In my first page is a form to fill the data, and then in the second page is offline data. So if you guys in offline data or offline mode with no internet connection, the data will store in this page. And the last one is setting page. Actually I already create some video to handle what exactly offline or online condition in real life, and you can see the video in my channel. But for the simple reason to make everything easier, I create some menu to define we are in offline or online mode. So in this case, in this time, we are in online mode, and I will fill this form. Oh, okay. Before that, I already set my firebase collection with members name, and have one collection. And then because we are in online mode, if I submit this data, so the data will be stored, and I have two collection, right? And then I will try to send collection again in online mode. Again the data successfully added. But if I change to the offline mode, so basically if I put the form and I submit it, so the data will be stored in the offline mode. This is shit, oops, your form failed to send, but don't worry, your data has been saved in offline mode in offline data menu. If you are back online, go to offline data menu, then do synchronize. So this is empty because I do something wrong before I submit form without any form validation in the first time. And as you can see guys, there is some data offline mode. If you guys check to the my firestore data, there is no YouTube 4 now. So this is still in the device and not sent to the firestore. And we will try again to put the offline mode data again. Okay. Yep. We have again the use of 5. And I already put the slide bar icon to send the offline data to the firestore. If I click, oops, because we are still in the offline mode, the Flutterflow tell if we still in the offline mode. So if I change to the online in the settings and I try to send the data, is it for as you can see guys, there is a snack bar tell the data successfully uploaded. And if we go to the firestore data, yep, the YouTube files is successfully stored. So how I create this flow and this trick is, first thing I will jump to the diagram. So this is actually I create this project. So as you can see before guys, I submit form and there is a condition check to online or offline. If offline, or if online, the data will be stored in the database, in the firebase in this case, and if offline, the data will be stored and in data types. That's the key. I'm using the data types. And if the user go to offline page, the second page in my case, and do synchronize, so there is some condition again. Is it your phone online or not? If online, will be the data will be stored in the firestore, and if not, the data there is a show some snack bar, as you can see before, the red one that tell you are still offline. Okay, got it guys. So we back again to the Flutterflow. The first thing I want to tell you guys, in the maybe in the firebase collection, I have one collection. As you can see, there is a full name, email, username, phone, city, and zip. And in the app stat, I have 3 app stats, which is I only use two from this app stat, which online and offline members. I'm sorry, I'm typo. This is offline member. As you can see guys, the online online app stat with data type boolean, and offline members with data type data structure. Actually data structure is the data type. Okay, and then in the data types, I create one data type that exactly same with my firebase collection. And in the app stat, as you can see before, I choose this is the offline, this is the list from the data types member. Okay, maybe I will try to demo to you guys to create app stat and select the data types that we are already created. Okay, and we are jumped to the page. I have 4 pages. This is for authentication for login user, and then if we are successfully login, which I demo to you, we are gonna jump to form menu, and in this form menu, if we submit form and submit button, click it, I will check the app stat value. If online equal true, which is if we have any network connection, we are gonna to store data to the firebase. The first I will validate the form. If form not filled, will be this will be show some alert. Basically, I store data to the database. Okay, this is the things I wanna tell you guys in this video if the condition is offline. So the first thing first, I update the app stat and choose the member, offline member from the app stat, and then for the select update type, I choose add to list, and for the value I put from the list view. Okay, I'm sorry, I put from the widget, the form widget, this one, and then and after that in the form page, I think that's it. In the offline page, basically I store the offline data to this page with this thing. I choose from the app stat and choose offline member, and in the list style I choose the value what I want to show, which this case is the name and the email. And then after that, in the lab site or site table, I add some action. Okay, again I check the value if online is equal true, so I store the data from the data types from the app stat to the firebase. So basically I choose the backend call, create document, and choose the collection, and then the value I got from the member item or the list view. Okay, after I store the data to the database, I delete the old data. I delete the old data with option update app stat again, and for the select update type I choose remove from list add index, and the value is the index from the list view. After that I will show you the data successfully uploaded. Okay, in the setting page I just change the app stat value. Okay guys, this is quite a long video. I think this is the longer video I ever create. So if you guys have any question, please tell me in the comment below, and again, thank you.